friends, in this video we will learn and write how to make sentences. First, prepare. Radha does not prepare the tea. Second, buy. Poonam bought a new car. Three, fly. The birds fly in the sky. Fourth, save. They save their money every day. Fifth, Falak. The children pluck the flowers. Sixth, leave. We did not leave this house. Seventh, water. The gardener does not water the tree. Eighth, like. She likes to plant rose. Ninth, boy. Suresh is a clever boy. 10th, like. Does she like coffee? 11th, eat. I eat an apple. I eat an apple. 12, lazy. You look lazy today. 13, sleep. I have been sleeping all night. 14, job. We have done our job. 15, this. This is a apple. Thanks for watching.